public sector management and governance. Key takeaways this morning that in Indonesia, digital technology is already in place. I think the challenge now how the government integrates these fragmented technology platforms so the citizens can access easily and efficiently.
Hi, this is Christian from the Republic of the Philippines. Today has been amazing. A lot of very thoughtful insights from different speakers, from our colleagues in the different ministries of finance in Southeast Asia. And so far, I got to learn a lot from them and also got to share what the Philippine experience is all about.
From Ministry of Finance Vietnam. For my feelings for today's workshops, I feel like I'm very happy to join this workshop, and I think it is a fresh workshop. I think it's a fresh feeling that workshop brings me today. The personal learning for me is that today I have a chance to learn a new topic from workshop in ADB, which is the climate change risks. Which is very important for me to apply in my job. And for the inspirations, today I am inspired by the opening speech from representative from ADB, because she gave me more reasons for why I have to learn or to widen my knowledge in the topic related to climate.
Takeaways. We've obviously been through quite a lot today. I think we've covered the integration of climate and disaster risk in the budget cycle, and we did a zoom in on the climate and disaster budget tagging. And I hope that everyone's taken a lot in from those examples, but really what I want to emphasize is that you will all take away most experience from this session through talking to your neighbours and your counterparts in different ministries who will have the right connections. You need to be able to reach out to be able to really do peer exchange and learn from those people rather than learning